is matrix sorry A, we have this k2 2k and a cube 3 is equals to 125. We have to find the value of k, and the options are plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, minus 5 and minus 4. So here the given is we have this 1 minute, sorry for the disturbance. So finding the determinant of this is determinant of A is, that is cross multiply k square minus 2 2s are 4. Okay, so this a cube is equals to 125. A is equals to root of 125 is 5. This is given. So now k square minus 4 of cube is equals to 125. K square minus 4 root 125 is 5. K square minus 4 is equals to 5. Now k square is equals to 5 plus 4. K square is equals to 9. So k is equals to plus or minus 3. It's a very easy answer where you score very easily. Only the thing is you have to calculate more and fast. I think this would be very lengthy, but you will get the answer, but it's a very lengthy method where you can find out here only where it is reflexive and symmetric. But or method where you find out is the other short trick method where you can use an exam when you are in shortage of time, where the number of equivalence relation is equal to number of partition. Okay, now what is partition? Partition, they have given that containing BC. Let's consider this as one element only. Basically, the remaining is A. Okay, there are two partitions here, so I can consider it as A and BC. There's only two partitions, so that two equivalence relation. That's it. So in this way also you can solve, but try to solve in this way only, because in examination however they don't ask for explanation, only answer is required, but see according to your time and comfort, then carry forward. Here is the next question, that is A is equals to A square. That's A given condition is A square is equals to A. We have to find out for I minus A whole cube. So again we'll split this as I minus A and I minus A whole square. As we know that A minus B whole square formula, we'll split this also. Identity matrix, it doesn't change, it remains the same. So the identity matrix not been multiplied here, or it's not been considered as square. So yeah, here I minus A remains the same. So here I minus 2A A square is equals to A, as the condition already given, that is I minus A, again I minus 2A plus A, that is again minus A. So we'll get as I minus A square. I minus A square. Where A is considered as A square is considered as A, so we'll get I minus A. So I minus A whole cube is equals to I minus A itself. So yeah, here is the other one tricky question where it will be easy to gain marks on this. There is an A matrix that is 1 1 1. For cross mathematic values are 1 1 1. It satisfies the condition A power 6 is equals to K A transpose. Then what is the K value? What is the K value of to find? Now till A power 6 we have to do. This is A. Then A square is again the same matrix. If you multiply, you will get 2. So again A3, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 all this 4, this matrix into this matrix, you will get 4 when you multiply and add So this can be written as 2 power 2, 2 power 2, 2 power 2, 2 power 2 in the exponential form. Next, this is a power 4 tagondaga, this 4 into 4 4 4 into 1 1 1, again a matrix convert ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will get 8 8 8 8 as answer, where this can be written as an exponential formula 2 power 3, 2 power 3, 2 power 3, 2 power 3. Then again a power 5, this 8 into 1 1 1, you will get around the answer as 2 power 5 exponential 2 power 5. So next is our fourth question, that is if f of x is equals to sine of pi square of x minus sine minus pi square of x, where x is equal to greatest integer that is less than or equal to x, then which of the following is not true? Question ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು. ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂತ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ this you have to find out. Pi square, pi value ಕೊಟ್ಟು 3.14 pi value ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Pi square ಅಂತಂದರೆ 9.86 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. we have to consider 9, round off 9 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೂ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 9.86 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು 9 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ -9 is greater than -10. So we are taking -10 which is lesser ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 10 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು 9 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 10 is greater, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ sin 9x ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin 10x. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಾವು ಇದು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದ ಈಸಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 0, sin 0 ಏನು? sin 0 ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ sin 0 is 0. ಸೊ sin is 0, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ 0ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. sin 9 of 0 is 0, sin 10 of 0 is 0. We'll get 0 only. Next, we have to check to that it is correct. So ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ pi by 2 is equals to 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. sin of pi by 2, sin 90 is 1. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯಾವುದು ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟಿಕ್ ದಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಟ್ಟೋದು ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲಿಂಗ್. cos 5pi is equals to cos 4pi, just keep it aside. Then sin 2pi is equals to sin minus 2pi. sin pi ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತಿರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ 0 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 0. sin pi ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ, -2pi ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. sin again ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದೆ, sin 0ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ tan 45 and tan -315. ಸೊ tan 45 is 1, tan 45 is tan -315. So 360 minus 315, 360 is the whole degree, minus is equals to 45 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So again tan 45 is equals to tan 45 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. So it is 1 is equals to 1. So the remaining option is 1. First one ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ cos 5pi is equals to cos 4pi. cos 5pi is -1 and cos 4pi is +1. So this is not correct. So we have to take the first option here. That's it, very easy, but you have to be fast enough. ತುಂಬ ಬೇಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. So here is one tricky question that maybe it will be useful if I do this, or one formula you can do it for the other questions. The number of octagon diagonals that can be drawn in an octagon. I repeat, the number of diagonals that can be drawn in an octagon. Diagonals in octagon. As options are 15, 20, 28 and 30. So here just in one one formula, that is n of n minus 3 by 2. This is a standard formula where n is the number of sides. Octagon means 8. 8 of 8 minus 3 by 2, that is 8 of 5 by 2. 8 5 is 40 by 2, that is 20. So over the 20 diagonals can be drawn for octagon. So here these are all just easy scoring questions where we miss out without knowing this main formula. So if you know this, we can do for other quadrilaterals or some things. So next, the other question is, here's a binomial expression, that is 2x plus 3 power of 3 power n, where the value of n, we have to find the value of n value. So this question, as it says, if the number of terms in the binomial expression of 2x plus 3 or 2 power 3n is 22, then what is the n value? This n value you have to find. So now what is it given? 2x plus 3 power of 3n is equals to 22. So 3n plus 1 is equals to 22. 3n is equals to 21. This one has been subtracted. So n is equals to 21 by 3 is equals to 7. So n is equals to 7. You can say do all these things where if you know the small things so that you gain 1 mark. So the next question is, it's based on the square matrix. A is a square matrix such that a square is equals to a. This is a given condition. Then we have to find I minus a whole cube. So this is a given condition. So now we'll split this I minus a whole cube as I minus a whole square. I minus a, as we know that a minus b whole square splitting, this is a square, I square minus 2 ai plus a square.